Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are coming across an error. A page is not available on your administrator has limited access to some areas. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to search menu and type edit group policy, open it. In here you just want to go to computer configuration, administrative templates, expand it, go to Windows compounds, expand it. In here search for Microsoft Defender antivirus, Microsoft Defender antivirus, search for it, Microsoft Defender antivirus, click on it. On right side you need to search for turn off Microsoft Defender antivirus, double click on it, and you just want to change this to disabled guys. Just want to change this to disabled, select it and apply and OK. Just want to close out of here, and now go ahead and restart your PC. After that your problem has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.